eh. Ha?
Ikaw ka nitong ni Robby tapos ikaw pa tong naka-uniform?
Hello!
Hello, morning.
Good morning. Dito ka talaga. Good morning, guys!
Good morning! Dito naman si Mr. Hi, Vlogger!
Mr. Vlogger.
Mr. Vlogger na.
Bakit?
Sabi, paharapin mo. Kaya ka pala nalilate kasi vlog ka ng vlog.
Alaga. Uy, aga pa kaya?
Attendance is fine. Mamaya.
Nakita nyo na pala yun?
Magkakagani kami na ano, kaya ka pala nalilate kasi vlog ka ng vlog.
Nag-edit pa.
Nag-edit pa siya.
Dito muna ako.
Sige, bye.
Wednesday. Hello!
Vlog ka na siya. Pray sa libang parang vlogger na.
Ano ka? Pang gulang ko na bayaran mo ako. Hindi, wag po ako isa pero dapat hindi ako.
Mag-attendance gapon ko.
Ako wala ko. Ano ko, be? Wala ko din nadala.
Attendance na, che. Uy. Morning. Attendance ka na? Miyerkules.
Dali man dyan. Good morning. Morning, sir. Hinay mo na ito sinig.
Namitital siya. Mansabi na ginaamo na rin. Pipihirap sa angkat ko. Ayay. Kaya
Ano ni?
Yes. Kimberly Dambo ngayon nag-attendance, future manager ng I mean magiging mayor, tatakbong mayor pala ng Libak. Tatakbo kang presidente ng Pilipinas. 7:31 ay 7:28. Okay na?
Bye.
Bye. Good luck.
ano ang tawag mo ba?
Good morning. Bangka, sir. Ang bigat ang bangka, guys. Sige pa.
Ano pa niyo karon, ma'am?
Solo parent. Solo parent. Labahan mo na ni.
Karang na yun?
Ay, para mauga.
Ay, si Bryson, labahan ko na nakarong. Ay, dali, gabi-gabi.
Si Ma'am Bilin bala.
Lumiton na yan?
Ay, doon na. Sige na, videohan na ka habang gabi ka.
Ang si Bryson.
Para makatuon ko. Ay,
Si Arnold mo ay.
yes. Kasi, pang memory good. Basta yung pamantay. Satu. Tama man to.
Then, date line, sunod, inside address, sunod, salutation, sunod, body, next, complimentary closing, next, signature line, pagkatapos ng signature line, printed name, and the last one, okay, so yun ang, ang part ng letter. How about sa styles and format? Ano ang mga styles and format? General, styles or format. Ano yung tatlo? Black format. Ano ang black format?
Oy, tol. Uy, guys.
Pero wag ka lang. Wala na, sino ako kuya kasi nakita.
Gagi.
Kaya na.
Okay lang na.
Laman na lang po. Dinikit mag-start. Dinikit mag-start. Ay, ano, may words na space. Hello po. Kailangan po. Yes. Wait, wait lang. Kanina yan, Five.
Tapos mark na mark.
Recipient ng Mr. Sunny Joke pa sa Ay, may pakuha na ng bag.
Si Sir Labon. Sergio.
Uy, libre. Tapos na, napicturan ko na sila. Ay. Guys, mag-withdraw muna tayo ng pera. Ay! Wala pala akong pera sa bangko. Sa Facebook may ara mo.
Yung ano gigamit mo na
Dito niya man ginapo sa mga picture niyo. Makita niyo.
Ano siya, Barokin?
Johnnny. NNY. Jones. Ato. This is Tito Barokilio.
Dara na.
Ano ba yun to?
Johnny Jones N. Barokin. Butang mo dyan, Human Resources.
ID mo yung
Hindi niya given. Feeling ko like mali yung naman. May position.
I-add mo na lang.
di ba sa last?
Ayan, i-add.
Okay lang, kahit walang space, diba? White space.
Ano ba ang ibutang
Kamu bahala!
human resource?
Sige, mauna ka na.
Carry niya. Ate, pwede HRM, human resource management. Spacer? Sorry.
Mali ata pangalan mo, Yogi.
Alam, sorry, mali pangalan. Wow.
Ano pala, officer 2? Oo, officer 2. Goods.
Wala ko ba ni? Away ko na ganito.
Pintol phone.
Wala ko ba ni? Away ko na gibot ng ulan.
You're so magaling.
Irnaway, tigyo ka. Folding. Okay. Johnny June. Ay. John. Wala na eh.
Pentelpin. Makita bala ni Mayor ni.
Dahil po alam ko, excited natin mga solo parents na maka-receive sa inyong pagpalangga o LGU. Simple lang mensahe natin sa Kunsari ng Juno bilang Chairman ng Finance, paupod sa mga kapato na SP. Pag-propose sa pwede
Wala sang tunga yo. Yo, sila.
Paluang pa rin yung
Ay,
hindi mo nakapuparan na. Talaga nila. Kaya ano sila kay hindi daw.
10 minutes na lang kali. Ba? Grabe. Pentelpin.
So, good morning again. I am the representative of Pokemon. Makintindi ka mo Ilonggo? Salikan? Pwede mag-Ilonggo na lang ko? Okay. is name, niya, Richmere G. Tabagua. Tapos ay iyang address, Morocco, Floria, William Bondel, Baksadan, Cagarat. Then iyang telephone number, email. Tapos ang iyang career objectives, which is treasurer's office folder.
Yes.
Assistant Secretary of the Mayor. So sa experience niya, we wrote there former SSLG President, KK officers, and state education, Rachel students, and still
Patuan sang application leader is si Honorable Frederick F. Celestial, Municipal Mayor. And
these are all personal information, which includes the name, address, cell phone number, email, and career objective. So instead of putting this telephone number, since we don't have one, we put cell phone number in the email instead. And then as for the career objective, we have assumed, since we are ABM students, we put accountant. And then for the experience, the applicant is a grade level officer of the Student Advisory Council at NBSC, and then she was also an SSLG treasurer and a grade level officer during my junior high school. And I was a student body officer for 3 consecutive years, starting from the 9th grade until 11th grade, which I learned all the skills and knowledge that is essential for handling the student body and being a voice for them. And I was commended for being an effective leader that holds authority and credibility. And then as for the education part, I am a graduating student of Accountancy, Business and Management at the Notre Dame of Salaman College, and I have been recently recognized and awarded as having the highest honor, garnering an average grade of 98%. And skills and talents, because of my leadership skills and exceptional organizational skills, I am well fitted for the job that requires efficiency, accountability, and excellent organizational skills. So, isa part ng skills and talents po, we have just put ano yung applicable for the job description. We don't necessarily need to put everything na skills and talents natin, but we have put here kung ano lang yung relevant sa job na ina-applyan. And then for references po, we have put our advisor, Sir J. Antonio, our 3I's advisor, si Ma'am Ana Los Santos, and then our high school principal, Ma'am Christian Esconia. Since we have asked permission before we conducted this immersion, since we have made our application letter and resume prior to this immersion. And then for the application letter, we have addressed it to Honorable Frederick F. Celestial, our municipal mayor, since this was catered to the LGU, the Municipal Government of Libac, Sultan Kudarat, with the zip code of or postal code of 9807. So for the salutation, we have Dear Honorable Celestial, and then this is for the body. I am Bradley Hart Bautista, grade 12 student of MTSC, enrolled in the APM strand, writing to express my sincere interest in applying for a work immersion program at LGU Libac as part of our academic requirements. So this is a introductory of our application letter, and then more on the body. This work immersion opportunity will provide me valuable hands-on experience in business operations. So more on here, it's like the details or the in-depth information about what is the application about. And then next paragraph is this is more of like the skills and talents of the applicant. I am hardworking, responsible.
Classroom president for 2 years straight from the ABM and June 12 and 11. So, yeah.
So for the education, grade 12, accountancy, business and management, graduating this year from the Notre Dame Solomon College, and I have constantly gotten to grade of 95 plus in all my communication subjects. So as you can see from this, I have constantly gotten to grade of 95 plus, so that is considered as a with high honor from our grade 11 up to grade 12. So for our skills and talent, I was a captain of the women's volleyball team of Notre Dame Solomon College. I also participated in pageants both at my school and my barangay. Additionally, I have strong communication skills and enjoying interacting with people. So for our skills and talent, by this participating from extracurricular activities, I learned how to communicate well with other people and socialize with other people around me. And also, I use this as a tool to influence other youth. And I think this is an empowerment for our youth.
Mag-critic na ako ha. So, resume and application letter, di ba sabi natin ang ating first principle na dapat natin tandaan when making resume and application letter is dapat keep it short and simple, KISS, no? Yun talaga dapat natin tandaan, always, no? So,